Hey there, ready to rock? Today, we're spilling the beans on how to slap down WordPress right onto your Windows machine, using Wamp localhost web server. Stay tuned, because we're about to make web wizardry super simple. Alright team, let's kick things off by firing up Google and searching for the Wamp server. Head over to the official link. Now, navigate to the download section. Grab the 64-bit version. Just a heads up, you'll need the Visual C library. Get it from SourceForge, and it's gonna swoosh down automatically. Got the Wamp server set up in our hands. Let's run it and hit that install button. It'll take a few seconds, so hang tight. Language selection, done and dusted. Click Next to start the installation. You'll be asked to read and accept the license agreement. Simply click I agree. Choose the destination folder for the installation. If you're not sure, just keep the default settings. Select additional components if needed, but for now, the default options are fine. Create a Start menu folder. You can keep the default name and click Next. Choose whether you want a desktop shortcut. It's up to you. Review your settings and click Install to begin the installation process. The installation might take a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see a screen that asks you to select your default browser. Choose the one you prefer and click Next. Now let's run Wamp and make sure everything is working. Look in your system tray, the area near the clock on the bottom right of your screen. You should see a Wamp server icon. If it's green, congratulations! Wamp server is up and running. With all the services active, let's head over to our localhost page to see what's happening. Simply open your web browser and type in localhost in the address bar. You should now see a Wamp server page. This page confirms that your server is active and ready to use. Now, let's move on to PHPMyAdmin. It's a tool that helps us manage databases. To access it, click on the Wamp server icon in your system tray. From the menu, click on PHPMyAdmin. A new browser tab will open with the PHPMyAdmin login page. In PHPMyAdmin, we're going to create a new database where we'll install WordPress. Follow these steps. On the PHPMyAdmin page, click on the Databases tab at the top. In the Create Database section, enter a name for your new database. Let's call it Wamp Demo for this example. Choose UTF-8_general_C from the collation dropdown. This helps with character encoding. Click the Create button. Your new database is now ready. Now that we have our database set up, we can install WordPress on it. This will enable us to create and manage websites locally. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into building websites using WordPress. In case you haven't done it yet, download the latest version of WordPress from the official website. Save the file to a location you can easily access. Locate your Wamp server installation folder. It's usually in the www directory inside your Wamp installation directory. Find the WordPress zip file you downloaded, right-click on it, and choose Extract All. In the extraction wizard, select the path to your Wamp server www directory. Hit the Extract button. The WordPress files will be extracted to the selected folder. Now that you've extracted the WordPress files into the www folder, rename it to Wamp Demo. You can access them through your web browser. Just type in localhost Wamp Demo. Now let's set up WordPress. Choose your language. Remember the name of the database we created earlier? Copy it and paste it into the field labeled Database Name. Username and password. For now, let's use the default values. Username, root password. Leave this field blank, then click on the Run the Installation button. Site title. Give your site a name. Something catchy and representative of your project. Username. Choose a username for your admin account. Password. Create a strong password. WordPress will indicate its strength. Confirm password. Type your password again to ensure accuracy. Email. Provide your email address. This will be used for important notifications. After installation, you'll be prompted to log in. Use the username and password you just set up. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. Check out the Themes section in the dashboard. You'll see the default themes. To keep things tidy, let's remove the extra themes. Hover over a theme you want to remove and click on the Theme Details link. Then, click the Delete button. Keep only the themes you need. Congratulations! You've successfully installed WordPress on your local Wamp server. This was a quick demo, but don't worry, we're here to help. If you need more detailed instructions, just let us know in the comments section. Also, stay tuned for more videos on WordPress and other local server software comparisons. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Until next time, take care and thank you for watching.